Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai iX20. This is the SE, so it does come with a really easy to use specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. You've also got a traditional CD player. You've got air conditioning along with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. You've also got rear parking aids. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history, but if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.